to make some dough. Crazy drop though, because I don't like playing all-time highs. Like, we are at all-time highs right now. And by the way, this is the second day I'm trading. I haven't traded the past 2 days. All right, this is what we're gonna do here. Oops. All right, let's see if we can come back into this zone. Then we can catch a short down over here. We'll see. Patience. Yeah, I gotta get off my phone. All right, we're in this level. We gotta pay attention. I have my finger on the trigger, and the second I see something, I'm in.
Order filled. Order submitted.
All right, I'm in for a short. I'm gonna aim for a lower day. Psych. I'm not aiming for a lower day. I'm aiming for down here. We have a very small stop loss, so it's totally fine if we get stopped.
Order filled.
That's fine. That's fine.
Order filled.
We're gonna try it again.
Order submitted.
Yeah, 1 point stop loss. There we go. We should be starting to fucking drop. I'll aim it for lower day. Some selling, some trapped sellers here, but if we get back under them, we should be good. I'm gonna put my stop at break even, because we're pretty deep into profit right now, so we're just gonna be safe because we already took a loss. I think it was like a 2.5 loss on the first trade, so let's play it safe. Put our stuff at break even, and yeah, we'll actually set it right now.
Order submitted.
And to be honest, we'll get a delta slingshot if this closes above, or yeah, if this closes under this candle with 1,000 plus delta. So that's even more confirmation that, you know, the probability will work out. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I'm more confident in this trade now. There we go. See, look at that. Okay, so this is what I mean. Oh, let me fix my mic. This is what I mean. When I'm looking at this chart right here, and I see like, oh shit, and I see like crazy buying and selling, and especially like if there's big buying on a red candle and we reject, I don't like seeing that. But as long as we see some big bubbles selling and some sellers stepping in on the footprint over here, we're good. And negative delta, like 1,300 negative delta, so we should be hitting this pretty soon. Yeah, we see that. I don't like seeing that shit. All right, I might cut some. I'm gonna cut some here.
Order filled.
I don't like seeing the big selling and then we instantly pop off. I don't like seeing that. So I'm just gonna cut it. And we were already deep in profits anyway. We're still up 9 points, so we're just gonna let this one contract ride to the liquidity here. Or actually, hold on. Yeah, even though I have a zone here, it's literally just one contract. I'm gonna be on my computer anyway, so I could manage it. That's why we gotta manage shit. Good trade though. Shit. I'm probably gonna get stopped out here. Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped right here.
Order filled. Order canceled.
Yeah. All right.